Okay, this is your homework. We did these in class. I'm not sure about the front, but we did most of them in most classes in class. So we're going to look at this here, and I'll start with the bottom one, the last one on that page, so you understand substitution here. You save this one because it's easy, so write that on the side. Y equals to 5x. Because that's the one you're saving, you cross out the hard one, that y there. And because it's in the middle of everything, you put parentheses there. So you copy what you see. Excuse me. 2x plus this 3 and that parentheses there. Okay, and then that equal to 34. And then you take this number here, the y equal, and substitute it into where this one was, which is in here. That's 5x. Then of course you do parentheses first, distribute 15x, 2x plus 15x equals to 34. Now you don't need to write equal to 34 yet, because you need to realize that here you need to combine like terms. You get 17x, okay, equal to that 34 that's there. There's nothing for us. This is the absolute last step because there's no other number but this. So the last step we always divide by, in this case, the 17. Okay, then x is 2. Okay, so your answer then is 2, comma, because these are graph that's going to meet. You're going to meet at, we'll find out here. We use this answer and substitute it back into where this x is right here. So that is, put 2 there, so 5 times 2, y is then 10. So they meet at 210. The graph will meet at 210. Number 5, substitute again. Okay, the easier one, save the easier one here. Take that, put that aside. Okay, right here. Y equals to x minus 2 on the side. Substitute the y for x minus 2. Okay. 2x plus 2. Put a parentheses around that because it's in the middle. And then equals to the 4. Now you take this here and you put it in there, the easy one, the one you saved, x minus 2. If you want to see better in red, I'll do that too. And then distribute. Distribute basically means to multiply to everything. 2x, and that's a minus 4. If you want to, you can do additive inverse, plus a negative. And then 2x plus equals to 4. Now, I'm not going to put equal to 4 yet because, look, I can combine these. These are like terms. I'd get, I get 4x with those two plus a negative 4. Okay, there's nothing else I can do. Then I can bring this one here. I can't simplify the expression any longer. That's 4. So I have to now, because I have 2 on this side, I have to make one of them equal to 0. I'm going to make the one without any variable equal to 0 plus 4. Save the other one last, plus 4. I get 4x equals to 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4, then x equals to 2. Okay? 2, and then you take this answer, substitute it into here, right in there you put that 2 that you got. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the graph will meet at 2, 0. Meet at 2, 0. Okay, and then you do the same. Oh, look, on number 4. Number 4, because, okay, this one obviously looks the easiest, so I'm going to save that one. I'm going to save that one to the side. Y equals to 2x plus 3. We don't like decimals. Okay, we save that one, we cross out this one. Because it's not in the middle of things, we just copy this, substitute that in there. So 2x plus 3, this one there, just copy it right there. And then bring everything else down, equals to 0.5x minus the 3. Now I would make whichever one equal to 0. I'd make this one equal to 0. 0.5. Use a calculator here. Subtract this in a calculator right there. And you would get 1.5x. I'm going to use black here. I don't like constant red. 1.5x plus the 3 equals to, this is 0 minus 3, or 0 plus a negative 3. So it's a negative 3. You add, oh, no, you wouldn't add 3. You get 0 by minusing 3, minus 3. Okay, 1.5x equals to negative 6. And then you divide by 1.5, divide by 1.5. Use a calculator. You use a calculator here. You get 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. 4. Your answer is a negative 4 because a negative and a positive equals to a negative when you divide or multiply. So the graph will meet at negative 4, and we need to find our other number. Take this negative 4, substitute it into where this x is. That's a negative 4 now. So you do on your calculator 2 times a negative, clear, that's not what I want. 2 times 4, that is negative, and then add the 3. You get negative 5. Y then, so when you put that in a calculator, you get negative 5. So you write y equals to negative 5. Take that answer. Here the graph will meet at negative 4, negative 5. Oh, sorry. Graph will meet at negative 4, negative 5. So that's how you do that. And number 3 is the same thing. I'll do this one last one, and you can do the other 2 on your own. The other 2 is like this one, and the front if you have not finished anything on the front. So this one looks the easiest because I don't like this negative in front. Whichever one you choose is fine. Okay, h equals to 6g minus 4. So because that's the easiest one, I cross out the hard one that has this letter h, cross that out, substitute that in there. 6g minus 4 equals to negative 2g plus 28. Okay, make the smallest variable equal to 0 plus 2g plus 2g. That, and doesn't matter which one you make equal to 0, it just makes things easier if you do that. Equals to that 28. And then you add 4, and remember you divide last. It's the very last step you do. 32 equals to 8g. That's both sides, so you divide last. G equals to 4. So 4 and let's find age. You take this one right here, substitute into there. So substitute the 4 right here. So use your calculator. 6 times 4 minus 4 equals 20. H equals to 20. So your answer is 420. So they will meet at 420. Okay, and you can do the rest on your own. That's how you do that on that last one. These are the 4. We finished pretty much a lot of the front. I'm still grading, so that's what I'm doing now.